Time to assemble our cars. We need to make a wheel spacer. You can use an old gift card or expired credit card. If you don't have one of those, you can take the box your block came in and use it to make a spacer. I'll show you how to do both now. Then you're going to want to take some tape and put it on the sides here and cut a notch in this one as well. I'll go ahead and cut the notch now. Just cutting it basically wide enough for the axle to go in. And then we'll put some tape to hold it there on the sides. Now we're going to install our wheels. You might need that penny that you put in with your build tools. The back end of the Sharpie also works to press against the axle head to push them in. You want to put the rear two in at an angle like this. You want to put the dominant front wheel or steering wheel in at an angle like this. And you can use the penny to push in the slot if you need to move the angle for adjusting. Just doing a quick check like we talked about for spin. See if they're all pretty equal. I'm holding it where it runs against the head of the axle. Okay, that one bounces the most, so we're going to put that one in here. And we can use either of these, it doesn't matter. It's just spacing the wheel so you have a gap. It's known as a gap tool. On mine, because this wheel isn't going to touch, I'm going to push that in a little bit further. Also use that penny. So I want mine to be snug. These two I'm going to put at that angle. Once this is completed, we can add graphite. Or if you didn't have a pipe cleaner earlier, you can put graphite in and burnish it like this. You can actually do it when you're doing the installation as well. You can pull it out just slightly, add a little graphite right here at the head. You want to tap it in a little bit and then spin it. Tap it in and then spin it. That's back to having the paper plate again. And the same way on the inside. And then snug it back up. And it'll spin a good long time. We'll repeat that on all 4 wheels. It's probably better if you go ahead and add the graphite and tap it in and spin it before you put it on the car. It becomes a little bit more challenging when it's on the car. So you just tap just a little bit in. Spin, tap a little bit, spin, tap a little bit, spin, and then you're ready to go ahead and install it. On the car.